going up to the Marble Mountain. It was amazing. I did not expect this at all. Like that was I would say a poor experience for me for this trip. Yeah, it's like really unbelievable that here, like Earth has this much sources, this many sources, and you can use them, and people have managed to cut them out and like use them for art and everything, and it's just I feel like it's a special kind of feeling for this place, because like I did not expect this at all, and I think the experience is very, very enriching.
You can take also these parts of it and you can grat. But sure, here for example, you also could go deeper inside and be more profound with your traces you leave on the marble.
This is a great experience to be here in Carrara, to see by our own eyes the history of marble, of stone carving, of sculpting, and I'm really happy for this opportunity.
So my name is Vincent Vola. I'm a part of the team from this Yes project from the French part.
Siamo un collettivo d'artisti, siamo l'Officina d'Arte Pontelifero, siamo 13 scultori, principalmente scultori.
But in the same time is as well thinks about ecology and resources, because the marble is very beautiful things, but a lot of people want it, and even now they use it more for additive things in food.
Marble is a material that is shipped out worldwide with a high demand. So this is a form of exploitation, exploiting the mountains and the resources. And on the other hand, we as artists, we work with marble. In fact, the whole Carrara lives from that resource. So you see, we're pretty much in a dilemma of the Bleeding Mountain and sustaining families.
E cerchiamo di gestire anche tutta una parte un po' più indirizzata sul sociale con diversi eventi.
For different reasons, it was a good idea that it was the last part of the project, because Carrara just like concentrates a lot of things which are very interesting for us, in like of course this idea of historical perspective with this historical situation with a sculpture, of course.
Questo evento è il primo che facciamo in questa sede e inauguriamo con questo evento. Siamo molto contenti tra l'altro di accogliere questi studenti in Erasmus. La nostra idea è di dialogare il più possibile su sia il processo artistico a livello un po' più tecnico, sia comunque di condividere in modo abbastanza generale e largo.
It's how you enter into a relationship with something, with a material, with a person, with nature, and how you enter into a dialogue, into a conversation. And this requires time and openness to listen, to observe, and to connect. And I think this is also what we do here at Ponte di Ferro, is having that exchange with international people. And even though you don't speak the same language, like you kind of get into relationship and conversation.
most important thing in all these meetings is in reality also to talk together. And also the line up of different languages is normally a problem. But when there is a language problem, the possibility is, yes, to talk in other ways. You have to find another word for something. In artistic production or in artistic language, there is also not only one language which someone else has to understand. The game is, or the interesting point of view is, yes, to find this missing link where you don't have the link, the right link in digital language. But okay, here is a possibility in a also atmosphere without fears, or yes, everyone brings his own traumata with him or with her, but at least is also a possibility that this thing goes to sink in, and I can really work together with someone, maybe also with myself, because also that sure, we prepared a little bit, but the only way is not to use a digitalized link or to write you a letter, no, to talk with you. And this direct confrontation, maybe it's the crudest way of communication, but is, I think, still the most efficient way. Means I talk, but I also listen. And this is an important thing. No?
I don't know, because I think that Roberta I want to say grazie to Roberta for Carrara, but I think that is for every college in your university and your institution or in your Salutare.
Ma porta sfiga prima della laurea.
We wanted to make visible what is always invisible. Thank you very much for